We're at ProWing and Stuart is about to give a demo of this electric powered P-51. Now Stuart, this has got HobbyKing gear inside it. You're going to prove to the audience here that electric can be a way to go with a big warbird like
Yeah, absolutely, and it's here to stay. I mean, so just to preface, this is a top RC 2.3 meter span composite model, but it's all HobbyKing powered. It's got TURNIGY HDs, either 6200s, running on 12S, Aerostar 24x12 propeller, Rotamax ACCC under the hood. I got TURNIGY servos and a Aerostar 160 amp speed controller. So yeah, apart from the model itself, it's all HobbyKing, and that's a great thing. The models themselves, yeah, we don't sell the big models ourselves, but we sell all the components for it. Not yet anyway, but all the components we sell for it, and more and more, I think you're seeing a lot of people just moving over to electric, right? It just makes more sense.
It's a lot more convenient.
Yeah.
A lot of our sites have noise issues and we have to stay reasonably quiet with models, so it's the way to go, yeah.
But that being said, the sound this thing makes is incredible. It's a real cacophony of, it sounds amazing. You'll see on the video, but there's so much power on this setup that my endpoint adjustment, instead of at 100%, it's actually at 75%.
Oh wow, really?
Because beyond that, it's just ridiculous. It's way too much. And I get around 6-minute flight time, although my flight will be short this time because it's a very tight schedule they're running here today. But these are the packs and this is the model, and I'm really, really pleased with it. Really pleased with it.
Thanks for that intro, and we'll look forward to seeing the flight. Cheers.
Ja, also wir haben hier das Antriebskonzept also super aufgebaut. Wir haben
Ollie, you want to take over filming?
so